Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the instrument cluster is located, also known as the gauges fuse. Stay with us, we'll explain where this fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses relays from, why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So here we'll demonstrate on a 2013 Ford F-150 that we have here specifically. Excuse me, 2016 F-150. Now you have, guys, 2 different fuse boxes. One is located, guys, under the hood, and if you open that fuse box, you will have Ford specific fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, guys. They can be seriously overpriced, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price, quick shipping as well. We'll need to find the fuse box that's inside your F-150 in the passenger compartment right here. If you go right there, guys, you open, okay, you open that cover right here by the kick panel, and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. That fuse box now, guys, okay, will be exposed like that. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, guys, you can see here, okay, things get a little bit complicated. They go in order, the fuses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then they jump 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. If you pay attention, those are double fuses. Those are 2 fuses in one. On the left and the right side you have a fuse. The fuse for the instrument panel, guys, okay, is actually fuse number 13, that fuse right here, but it's together with the other fuse. So this fuse will need to be replaced at 7.5 amp fuse if you have problems with the instrument cluster not working, guys, or the gauge is not working. Thank you for watching and see you next time.